Hey there, having trouble with your Lenovo tablet displaying the "To start Android, enter your password" message and need a solution? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix "To start Android, enter your password" on a Lenovo tablet with clear, actionable steps. Whether you've simply forgotten your password or there's a glitch blocking access, these solutions will help you regain access to your device. Step 1. Restart your device. Starting with the simplest solution, try restarting your Lenovo tablet. It's possible that your device is just experiencing a temporary glitch. 1. Press and hold the power button until you see options to restart or power off. 2. Tap on Restart. 3. Once your tablet powers back on, see if the issue persists. A simple restart often clears minor glitches that result in error messages like this. Step 2. Verify password input. Make sure the problem isn't a mistyped password. Double check the following. 1. Ensure your keyboard is set to the correct language layout. 2. Check for caps lock as passwords are case sensitive. 3. Slowly re-enter your password, ensuring each character is correct. Sometimes the simplest error is a typo or an unexpected keypad setting. Step 3. Use Google account recovery. If the issue continues, try using your Google account to bypass the password. 1. After several failed attempts, you should see Forgot Password on the screen. Tap it and follow the 2. Tap it and follow the prompts to enter your Google account credentials. 3. Once verified, you can create a new password. This method works if you have linked a Google account to your device and have internet access. Step 4. Perform a safe mode boot. For glitches caused by apps, booting into safe mode can help. 1. Power off your tablet completely. 2. Turn it back on, and as soon as you see the Lenovo logo, press and hold the volume down button until it boots. 3. In safe mode, see if you can access your tablet without the password issue. Safe mode runs only essential system applications to minimize conflict. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the above methods work, perform a factory reset. This will erase all data on your tablet. 1. Turn off the tablet. 2. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously until the Lenovo logo appears. 3. Use the volume buttons to navigate to recovery mode and confirm with the power button. 4. Navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset using the volume buttons and confirm your selection. 5. Follow the prompts to confirm the reset. This should resolve any persistent software issues causing the password prompt. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix "To start Android, enter your password" on a Lenovo tablet. From restarting your device and verifying your input to utilizing Google account recovery and performing safe mode boots, these steps should help you regain control of your tablet. Remember, the factory reset should be a last resort due to data loss. Regularly backing up your data will ease the impact of such drastic measures. Prioritize resolving the issue safely, and you'll have your Lenovo tablet up and running in no time. If you have further persistent issues, consider contacting Lenovo Support professional assistance.